In today's video, we're going to show you how to connect SSIS to Salesforce, access Salesforce data, and migrate that data to SQL Server. Let's dive in. First, log in to your Salesforce account and navigate to the Object Manager. From here, locate and select Account to access the data you want to migrate. Next, open the Developer Console. Use a simple SQL query to fetch the account data. This allows you to review the data before proceeding. Now, let's set up an SSIS project. We'll start by dragging a data flow task onto the control flow surface. Let's rename it to Salesforce to SQL Server to keep everything clear and organized. Next, we'll open the data flow task. From the toolbox, we'll find the Devart Salesforce source component and drag it into the package. In the Connection Manager, we'll fill in the following details: host, user ID, password, and security token. Now, let's retrieve the security token. Go to your Salesforce account settings. From the Settings menu, select Reset My Security Token. Salesforce will send it to the email associated with your account. Once the details are filled in, test the connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. As you can see, the connection is successful. Now let's choose the account table. We'll also preview the data to confirm we're accessing the right table. Everything looks good. Let's move to the next step. Let's configure the destination in our SQL Server database. We'll drag the OLADB destination component from the toolbox into the data flow task. Connect the Salesforce source component to the OLADB destination component. This creates the data flow path from Salesforce to SQL Server. In the OLADB destination, we'll set up a connection to the SQL Server database. Let's choose our SQL Server instance and ensure the credentials are correct. Now we'll create a new table in SQL Server to store the migrated data. Next, we'll map the columns from the Salesforce source to the corresponding columns in the SQL Server table. Finally, let's run the SSIS package and watch the migration in action. Here's the result in SQL Server. All rows from the Salesforce account table have been successfully migrated. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Feel free to share the video with anyone who might benefit from it.